Sometimes on the F1 Ultra UV, it's difficult to see what's in the laser bed because the front and the back light is just too bright. And you need to dim it so you can see your engraving. Or in my case, I was framing this morning and it was difficult to see the frame. So we're going to hop into xTool Studio and I'll show you how to reduce that lighting or even increase it if you need to. I'm going to hit the frame real quick so you'll have a reference of what it looks like now. And then we will hop into xTool Studio and let you take another look at it. All right, let's get at it. Okay, we're in xTool Studio and we need to go up to Device Settings, select it, and then again select Device Settings, and your front and back light are right here. So we're just going to take them to 0, dim that light all the way so I can see that frame, and I think you'll see a big difference. After that, you just close it, and then we'll go back and take a look at the frame, see how that looks. All right, let's do it. Well, it's easy to see what a difference it makes to reduce the front and the back light down to 0. And you can adjust that to whatever works best for you to help you see whatever's in the laser bed. So this was a short video, but it's one that's going to be handy. I think it's something you'll use. I appreciate you folks watching. Please come back and check for more videos often. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.